Suggested video title: How to Achieve Financial Freedom. Simple step-by-step guide. Video structure: 10 minutes 0 o'clock to 0:45. Powerful introduction. Dynamic cuts, light background music, talking directly to the camera. Have you ever imagined waking up without worrying about bills? Working because you want to, not because you have to. That's financial freedom. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start your journey, even if you're earning a small income. Stick around till the end. I've got a bonus tip nobody talks about. 0:45 to 2 o'clock. What is financial freedom? Simple animations or graphic explanations. Financial freedom doesn't mean being a millionaire. It means having enough income, passive or not, to cover your living expenses. In other words, you choose whether or not to work, and you're not relying on a paycheck to survive. Passive income equals money that comes in without trading time directly. For example, rent, dividends, royalties. Freedom is relative to your lifestyle. The less you spend, the closer you are. 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. The 4 pillars of financial freedom. 1. Financial organization. Know how much you earn and spend. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or simple spreadsheets. 2. Expense reduction and conscious living. Watch out for invisible expenses. Practice conscious consumption. Do you need it or just want it? 3. Increase your income. Sell products, freelance, side hustle. Invest in skills that help you earn more. 4. Smart investing. Start with things like government bonds or savings accounts. Then learn about stocks, ETFs, and other passive income strategies. 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Steps to reach financial freedom. Build an emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in a safe place. For example, government bonds or high-yield savings. Pay off high-interest debt. Prioritize credit cards and expensive loans. Create an investment strategy. Try the 7-0-2-0-1-0 method. 70% fixed expenses, 20% investments, 10% fun. Plan for the long term. Use simulators. If I invest $100 a month, how much will I have in 15 years? 6 o'clock to 7:30. Myths about financial freedom. Only rich people can achieve it. You have to invest in risky stuff. It takes years just to get started. You can start today with as little as $10. What matters is consistency, not the amount. 7:30 to 9 o'clock. Bonus tip: the power of compound interest. Visual graphs showing exponential growth. If you invest $200 a month with an average return of 10% per year, in 20 years you could have over $150,000. And guess what? You only actually put in $48,000. The rest, that's your money working for you. 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock. Wrap up plus call to action. Financial freedom isn't a far-off dream. It's something you build, one day at a time. If you start today, even with small steps, your future self will thank you. Like the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to take control of their finances. And tell me in the comments, what's one thing you're going to do today to start this journey?